Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I decided to stop over at Walmart because they said December 31st they would mark all their items 75% off. And I am here and I cannot believe the amount of stuff they have left over for Christmas. Okay, they even have their plushed animals marked at 75% off, and they have a ton of them. From Walmart, and I just want to go ahead and show you everything that I got. Now, everything you see here in the bags, I got 75% off. Now, just looking at my receipt, there are some items on here that I paid 24 cents, 37 cents, a lot of stuff for 74 cents, 26 cents. So I really got a really good deal. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. I believe that these 100, I just looked on there, the 100 multi-light mini lights, those cost me I think 74 cents. I probably should have picked up some more of these because every year, when I pull out my strands, a lot of them will be burnt out and then I'll have to throw them away. So I probably should have picked up more of these. I got the little peel and stick gift tags. Now one of these cost me 50 cents, and then I have a smaller one in here, and that one only cost me $0.25. And of course, I didn't get very many of these, which I should have stocked up on stuff like this and just had a bunch for all the years to come. And then I got a little silver tree. Now I can always use this in any of my little displays. And this cost me 50 cents. And I think I got a couple of the silver ones. And then this right here is a projector. This is a little snowman. It's Frosty the Snowman. Now the regular price on this was $12.97, and I ended up getting this for $3. I think $3.24. And rotates the little image of Frosty the Snowman. So that's really cute, and I have to try that out next year. I always need these bows because over the holiday season, the red ends up fading and they get, all faded out from the sun. So I went ahead and picked up these because I do use these on my palm trees. And I think I picked up 4 of these, and these ended up costing me $1.50. So $1.50 on the bows. There's 2 there. Now, I did get some other bows here. They're a little different. They're burlap with the little red snowflake. Now, these were priced at $7.98. So these ended up costing me $2. And I bought 3 of these. And then these little lights here, I like to use these again also on my mantle, in any of your little displays, your 3-tier trays, maybe your coffee bar. These again, I think these were only like maybe 50 cents. So stuff like this that was really super cheap, I probably should have gotten a lot more of because these are something that I use year after year. But let's see, I got 1, 2, 3. So I did get 4. I got 3 colored ones and I got white lights on those. And then, like I said, I picked up a green tree and I got another silver. And these were only 50 cents. And these are 2 more of the red bows that I got. So I have a total of 4 of these. And then I went ahead and picked up these little C9 little bulbs. Now, the ones I have out front that I used around my landscaping, I have the clear bulbs. And I thought, well, maybe this year or next year I would use the green bulbs. So I don't know if I have enough, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I even think I got more of these. And they come in a little 4-pack, and these were priced at 98 cents. So these only cost me 24 cents. And let's see, what else did I get? So I thought for the grandkids next year, who doesn't like little pencils with the little holiday designs on them? These only cost me 24 cents. So I picked up a couple of these. And then I have somebody that loves Paw Patrol. So these are 4 little flutes. And these were probably 30 cents for these. And then I went ahead and picked up the pencils that have the little Christmas erasers on them. And these were regularly priced at 98 cents. So these only cost me $0.25. And I got 3 packs. So you can't beat that for $0.25. They'll make nice little stocking stuffers for next year. And then I picked up the little gift card holders. And these were priced at $1.47. So again, these were probably 30 cents. And they're all blue with a white snowflake on them. So I got 3 of these. And then I did pick up another Frosty the Snowman, and he rotates the image on probably outside. I might use him on my porch, and maybe it'll reflect off my walls. I'm not sure, but we'll see. I'll have to try that out next year, or try it out when it gets dark. And then again, these multicolored lights. These ended up only 24 cents. So, I mean, I just can't believe it, how cheap these are. Because these are kind that I use in my bushes. So, of course, you need a ton of them. And I probably, again, should have got a bunch more. Because you never know, I might want to go down the side of my house next year on my hedges and put more lights up. But again, like 24 cents on these. And I couldn't leave without getting some Christmas cards for next year. So these were $5. That's the regular price. So half of that's $2.50, and then another half of that, $1.25. So Christmas cards for $1.25, and there's 18 in this pack. And I think I'm almost done. Again, I did buy more of these C9 little bulbs. So that's all I got. And all this stuff here cost me under $30. So, I mean, you guys need to check out your local Walmart for 75% off. They did say that they don't mark them any further than 75% off. What they'll do is, I think, what did he say? I don't know if he said after the new year, they'll end up sending the stuff back. They'll end up shipping it back. So anyways, until next time, happy decorating!